We slept into one world and woke into another. Suddenly, life changed completely in front of our eyes. Hugs and kisses became weapons, and showing love to elders is not by visiting them. We are finally learning to live without so many luxuries like malls, gyms, movies, etc. What became more important is that not how we spend the time, but with whom we spend time. Family became our center of attention. Amidst all this, when humanity has been put to test, we proved ourselves by letting the world know that we stand by each other in this time of crisis. One of the dire needs of the time is medical services to the common people. When the people of the remotest corner of rural India are lamenting for basic medical facilities, COVID-19 has made things even more worse. Partnering with a Kolkata-based organization called Ditto Social Welfare Association, I have volunteered to provide COVID-19 comorbidity screening tests and basic healthcare facilities to the rural people of Howrah. Under the guidance of the MBBS doctors, people are screened at the doorstep with vitals like oxygen saturation, blood pressure, blood sugar, and BMI tests. Till date, we have been successful in screening more than 500 people in the districts of Howrah and has planned to do so in the other aspirational districts like Bankura and Birbhum. Our work has brought us together, brought camaraderie and reinforced altruism. We have a choice, either to spread fear or to be the light in the darkness which everyone wants to see. We at Wiki, WBSBC, pledge to be the light and hold on each other and keep floating.
Hello, I'm Shujata, founder of 12 Store. As we continue to fight this deadly virus, we know we must stay home and stay safe. But for the less advantaged, it is often a very scary thought and to choose between life and livelihood. So through my organization 12 Store, we continue to support rural communities. We work through our rural women and support them and their families with food, basic necessities, medical coverage, and try to give them the much needed mental support. In these difficult times, we know many of us are feeling a lot of anger, stress, depression, at all that's happening around us. So I've also initiated a program by which anyone and everyone can call in and ask for help or just speak their minds. In this very difficult time, it's important that we are beside one another.
Hello everyone, this is Pauline speaking on behalf of WAIST and Techno India Group. During this pandemic, we have been fully concentrating our efforts in the short term, trying to provide relief action against this COVID-19 wave that has been hitting hard. And that happened especially through Techno India Dhamma, which is one of the hospitals under the Techno India Group banner, which has operated as a COVID hospital and vaccination center during the second wave. And also in association with a large-scale initiative called Breathe Again, which has been set up by a group called Entrepreneurs of Kolkata, which has been doing amazing work in raising funds nationally and from abroad as well, in order to be able to set up and increase healthcare capacities in terms of ICU beds, critical care beds, oxygen and ventilators around the city and beyond. And we've been ambassadors of this campaign, trying to help out as much as we could. And as WAIST, of course, as an aggregating platform, trying to match the needs and the resources among our network of organizations as much as possible. And sharing as much information, reliable information about available resources to individuals to the best extent we could.